Hey everyone, this is Josh from J4 Paintball again. I'm going to give you a real quick rundown on how to upgrade the new switch if you've ordered the new switch component. Really fast like, you've probably got the video link hopefully up here, definitely be down there for the first video of how to get your switch out of your gun. Do watch that video before you watch this one. After that, it's pretty easy. Use the same Allen key that we called out in the first video and take off the rear cap. Now this may be difficult. These have a tendency to strip because they were junk and they weren't made to CAD, but we're replacing those because I'm not happy with them. So take this old one, take out the spring. You may have, and let's see if we can show this here, a little spacer right in there. Come on, focus. You can do it. I believe in you. Okay. You'll see this little spacer in here. You can pop that out with your Allen key, and you should be able to easily slide your switch out. In this case here, it's a little grumpy, it's a little difficult to get out. If you really need to, you can take the Allen key, take off the solenoid. Again, be careful of the 3mm O-rings like we show in the other video. And using a small Allen key or bolt, you can push right here and push the old switch out. In this case, this is one of the old lightweight switches, but we're going to replace all of that because it's just right to replace all the components. So take that. We don't need that. Don't need the old spring. We have in here the new rear cap with a large groove in it. We have the new bumper that's been better timed. A replacement spring you probably don't need, but we are going to put in there anyways. And then the new switch. Oil up the new switch. We still have some J4 lube. Dip it in there. The O-rings will be tight, and you'll drop the whole component in there. Might need a little push or tap from the Allen key. After that, put in the new spring, put in the new bumper, and put in the new rear cap. Now the nice thing about this rear cap is we did away with the Allen key on there, which I'm pushing down pretty firm to combat the spring. Spring's pretty tight in this assembly. And now you can use a flathead screwdriver, or just, I made it nice and wide so you can even just use a quarter, making it a lot easier to deal with on the field. Then reattach the solenoid if you need to. And that's ready to go. There's no more other timing or otherwise. Your whole system's set up, and you're good from there. So get rid of all the old parts and just keep the parts you need. Make sure you put lots of lube in there, and you don't need an Allen wrench except to put the solenoid back on, so save you some profanity. There you go. There's a new switch install. Nothing really special to it. Follow the rest of the video for the reassembly so you do not run into any problems or bind anything. Watch out for all those little O-rings because they do like to hop off there. There you go. Have a good day.